friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a short story unboxing today. We're gonna make it short. Probably not. If you haven't tried short story before and you would like to, there's a referral link down below. If you use it, let me know, because I had to ask them if anyone had used my referral link a while back, and I feel like a lot of you have, and I haven't seen any referrals or anything, but I feel like a lot of you have, because I know you've said like, oh, I'm gonna try this. So let me know if you did, so that I can let them know, because I've reached out to them before and they're like, and they never had gotten back to me after they're like, oh, we'll look into it. But we're gonna open it up with our trusty rusty screwdriver. Here we go. This box is hard to get into. I did it, okay. Short story, if you haven't tried it before, it's for like 5'4" and under, like petite kind of sizes. And I am 5'4", so, all right, we're gonna read our note. They actually write like a nice long note. Welcome back. I cannot wait to present you this fabulous box. Since you prefer the skinny silhouette in your denim, let's refresh your collection with these fabulous ankle jeans. They feature subtle distress detailing, perfect for those laid back weekends. Pair them with this rich navy split neck top, crafted from lightweight fabric. Where am I? Ensuring comfort throughout the summertime. For a more refined look, these chic black linen pants will be a great staple, ideal for various occasions. Match them with a charming lace detail, printed top, and layer with a stylish long brush cardigan for a cohesive look from head to toe. Adding a vibrant crossbody bag will add a pop of color into your outfit. I did just switch over into a crossbody that I got on Amazon like a couple years ago, and when we did my closet, I was like, oh, I forgot about this, because it was buried in my other closet. Would you be interested in incorporating a skirt into your next box? If so, what length do you prefer? Wishing you a restful week ahead. Take care and style soon. Kira. Thanks, Kira. So yeah, they actually like write a personalized note, which is nice. Got a petite friend? If you use my referral link, you'll get your first styling fee waived. So there's no risk involved. You can just try it out. And if you don't like anything, you send it all back. So let's dump her out. She's heavy. She ain't heavy. ASMR. They send you the mailer to send back the things you don't want to keep. It's all USPS. All the boxes I do, I think, are like USPS. I just take them to the post office. She's dark for spring. Seven items. Look how dark. But we're not going to judge yet. We shall see. I know my face was already judging it, but it can't help it. That's just what my face does. So, ooh, she is very soft. Very soft. This is definitely a brushed knit. Where's the sleeves? Oh, cardigan. I was like, is this a sleeveless cardigan? I guess that would be called a vest. Very, very soft. Looks like the front is the same length as the back. I was trying to see if the front was longer. Very, very soft. We'll go over prices and brands at the end. This, I'm not judging. I'm kind of judging. My initial thought is I don't like it, but we're gonna try it on anyway, because you never know. But my initial thought is no. It's just so dark. It's so dark for spring. This is more like a fall color box. Ooh, a dolman. I do like a dolman. Again, a dark kind of color, but it's like an eggplant. It's looking a lot brighter on camera. See how dark it is now, but then when I hold it up, it looks brighter. It's darker. Very soft. I do like a dolman. Again, my first thought, I don't really like it. I like the color a lot. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. I like it in the sleeve. It's like see-through. If you can hear my husband hammering, he's working on the pool deck. It's gonna be a theme throughout the next few videos, okay? But I do, oh my God, they're all, okay, we're not judging. I like the color. Here we go. Oh, I was not expecting that. I thought this was gonna be like a full-on top. It's like a tank top. That might be okay. And it has the, is it embroidery, crochet-ness, and it has some at the bottom too. That's not bad. It's not bad. And it does have a slight pleat in the center on the back. That's not bad. And we have some black pants. Ooh, they're stretchy. They are stretchy. Interesting. By Democracy. Are they real? Of course they're. How long have I been blurry? I can't refilm it. We just have to deal with it. Some black pants. They have real pockets in the front, fake pockets in the back. They're very stretchy. They have more of like a wide leg. Not bad. And then we have some jeans, which if you watched my last Wantable video, I'm not super in the market for jeans right now unless they're a good price deal. Just because of how the weather is, but these are Democracy as well. And you know I love my black Democracy jeans that I originally got in like I think my second short story box. They just fit amazing because they're petite. They're size 16P, so 16 petite. They have some slight distressing at the knee, just a little bit, and some on the bootay. All right, let's try. Oh, that was my hand. Let's try stuff on. Sorry, I just discovered it as ruffles right here. Okay, here's the first outfit. These jeans fit amazing. Damn it. No, it's fine. They're the Democracy ankle skimmer jeans. I like them a lot. Damn it, no. The top is also kind of nice. As I said, as I was walking back, I was like, why does that look weird there? But it has some like ruffly-ness right there. I'm trying to get close enough. You can't really tell until you're on camera. Yeah, here's the top. The bottom has that crocheting too, so it's like kind of tight here. It doesn't stretch at the bottom at all. But that's kind of nice. Blouse it out. When in doubt, blouse it out. Sorry. I like these jeans. Let me show you the length. Hello, real time. Real time. They're like pretty much the same as my black ones that I love. I do love. Yeah. How much did I invest in this box? $20? So we'll see. I really like them. I do really like them. I do really like them. Shoot. Okay. They're really, really comfortable. Okay. Is it worth it? It might be. Let's, I'm enabling myself. Let's do more. Let's do more. Let's try on the dolman top. Here's the dolman. It's nice. It's because it's a slight dolman. And I feel like it really brings in at the waist because of where it ends, the dolman part ends. And I like this scoop kind of neck. It's like a rounded V-neck. I think that's nice. But again, don't you feel like this is like a fall shirt, outfit, like color pattern? How many words can I say to say the same thing? Don't you feel like it's like a fall motif? This, like the style and the color. But here it is, in all its glory, with these really comfortable jeans. It's nice. I don't think I need it right now. It would be a nice work top too. Okay, let's try on. Oh man, I meant to put that cardigan on with the tank top, but we'll just put it on with this one right now. It's very soft. It's that brushed knit. It's probably supposed to be black, but it looks more like a dark gray, don't you think? No pockets, very, very soft. It's kind of like a seam down the back. Someone asked, and I thought it was a very cute question. that they weren't like, they didn't understand why I needed pockets. It's for my hands. I don't always know what to do with my hands. So I really like a nice pocket to just put them in. So, and I think I commented back to your question, like, why do you need pockets? It's for my hands. Okay, I don't dislike this top as much as I thought. It's still not my favorite, but I think it's a really pretty color. It has some stretch to it. It has like a, balloon sleeve with that little detail. So it's not as bad as I thought. As we all know, I would tuck it in anyway. Here's the pants. The pants are also by Democracy. I don't mind them. They're kind of an interesting material. It's almost like a workout pant, like a moisture wicking kind of workout pant material. So they're very light. But even though they're from Short Story, they're petite, they still hit like right at the tops of my feet. They're not dragging. You can see, sorry. They're not dragging. I'm trying to get far enough back that I feel like I'm yelling. But they're still right at the tops. And I wear flats in the spring and summer, like flat. No heel whatsoever. But even if I had wore just like a little, like 1-inch heel, I think it would be perfectly fine. So not bad. Not bad. I don't have anything this color. I actually think for work it might be good. It might be cute. I was afraid before where this was gonna hit, like if it was gonna be like way far down. But I kind of like it. It's kind of cute. I know you can't see my head. It's kind of cute for work. Okay, let's do that last navy top. We all know how much I love navy. It's so windy out today. Here's the last top. It's also it's like very light and airy. Oh, it has buttons. It has buttons right there. There's like a little, very detailed. I will say both of these tops are by Skies Are Blue. Very detailed. They have pleats going all the way down. And I'm gonna tuck it in. I don't care. It just looks more professional to me tucked in. See, this is why we try things on. I don't hate it. On a rack, never would have picked this up. I never would have picked it up. I don't hate it. It looks very professional, I think. Very professional with the wide leg pants. I do have some wide leg pants that are black already, and they have a tie and they have pleats here, so. Okay, I might have already done, no, I haven't done one yet. I might do a video about them. They're from Kohl's. I don't know how much longer they'll be in their rotation yet though. That's kind of cute. It's navy. I have issues with navy. Okay, let's go over prices and see what I'm gonna keep. Okay, cool. Prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. It helps me out. Okay, the Delfina split neck top by Skies Are Blue, color navy, extra large petite. All the tops are extra large petite. $58. Everything's so expensive this box. Sorry, that was so whiny. The ankle skimmer jeans by Democracy in blue vintage, size 16 petite, $74. So I already have, I have $25 into this box already. So it would be $49 extra to keep it, right? Yeah. The Salome long brush cardigan, $64. Their prices are starting to get like wantable, I swear. The Molly lace detail printed top, the tank top by Sojourn, $58 for a tank top. Nope. The Alessia split neck blouse by Skies Are Blue and teal, $58. The Aspen everyday dolman top by Sojourn in deep cherry, that's plum, baby, $54. And the high-rise patch pocket palazzo pants by Democracy in black, $88. Anyway, the total for the box is $429. And they don't give you a discount if you keep like 5 or more or anything like Stitch Fix or like Wantable does. So $429 for this pile of clothing right here. As it is, I might keep those jeans because it's only gonna be $49 more to keep them. I already have the $25 spent, it's out of my mind, so, you know, I don't wanna waste the $25, and I love those jeans. I know it's not technically jean season, but I might keep those. Thank you for this, thank you for sticking with me while I deliberated on my decision. Sorry, I'm brushing a hair off my countertop. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, comment a fall leaf, because this is fall colors here. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.